Brad Mayo, Tom Sparks Auto, Dekalb, Illinois. Hey, check this out. 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan. Look at this. Isn't it nice? Nice alloy wheels, silver billet metallic, privacy glass. You got rear backup camera, GT model. We've got power liftgate, power sliding doors, both sides, and it's got remote start too. You got stone going there, nice floor mats that come with the vehicle. Those seats will fold down flat. I'll be right in to help you guys.
Thank you.
Are you here to look at the terrain?
Yep.
Yep, I got it right inside there for you, okay?
Right,
I'm Brad, okay? Front wheel drive, 6 cylinders, got a clean auto check. It's all set up, ready to go. It's got plenty of warranty left on it too. Dual quad seats, leather, nice third row seat, nice and clean. Now this is where these seats fold down into, so they'll disappear completely too. It's got rear DVD player, power windows, door locks, and mirrors. Power seat, I think it's got dual power seats, auto headlights, cruise and radio controls on the steering wheel. AM, FM, CD, satellite radio with navigation, dual automatic climate control. It's got heated front seats and rear seats and a heated steering wheel. Here's all the storage for you, cruise control on the steering wheel. Power windows, door locks, mirrors, nice analog gauges. Car's all set up, ready to go, and it's missing one thing. You know what that is? You need to get down here and buy this one. Hey, check out pictures online at tomsparks.com. Don't forget to ask for Brad, and thanks for watching.